Good morning, beautiful. Good morning. Happy Tuesday, guys. Today is May the 11th. Hope you all are having a beautiful day. I'm actually making me a breakfast sandwich, so bear with me. What are you guys having today for your AM breakfast? So I have two sausages. I can show y'all what sausages they are. These are the 365 plant-based breakfast sausages I'm having. And I topped it with some dairy-free Trader Joe's cheddar-style slices on my, well, that's what I put in the toaster. I'm using these Sprouted Power, can y'all see that? Sprouted Power Flex sprouted wheat bread. So that's what I'm having for breakfast. And I was going to put a tomato on my sandwich, and then I had to think, Sonia, you're putting jelly on here. I'm trying to get done with this jelly really, really quick so I can, this is the pomegranate power superfruit jelly. So I'm trying to get rid of this so I can use my Amish country jelly. So yeah, I know if the boys are here, they'll be like, oh, that's nasty. I'm trying to teach them to stop saying things are nasty when you haven't even tried it yet. I think that's very rude when you tell people or say stuff is nasty and you didn't try it, or you're not leaving it up to the next person who's going to try to eat it or whatever. So yeah. So guys, what's up? What's going on? This is turmeric tea. It's really, really good. So to warm up my insides. It's gloomy today. The sun is coming through though, but I am going to find my way to walk today. Probably bring you guys with me for a little bit of that. I'm going to go visit Walmart because I need to get the stuff for the canvas, get that going. And what else am I doing? That might be it. For like my leisure stuff that I'm going to be doing. This is for my bread, so I'm just waiting for the toast. So yeah, guys, walk with purpose, okay? Walk with purpose. Walk in the truth, okay? And walk in your truth. And walk in the truth. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so those who endure to the end will survive. That's all I got for y'all today, this morning. So endure to the end. It's going to be okay. I keep telling y'all that. It's going to be okay. So yeah, guys, I probably will see you guys later on once I can get done with everything else. Why is my toast taking so long? So this is the perfect size for my, let me see. Oh, it's almost done. They're almost done. But this is the perfect size for my toast. So let me put that down. I'll be back, y'all. I'll be back later. So we'll chat some more, okay? Y'all, I don't know, depending on y'all Walmart, watch which one y'all go to, because I am sitting here waiting for them to unlock this thing here. Do y'all see that behind me? To unlock the thing to get some craft paint. Are you kidding me? Guys, things have really changed. You gotta sit here and wait on craft paint for a lock and a key. I can understand spray paint because you gotta spray stuff, but seriously, y'all, I am literally sitting here waiting for somebody to come and unlock.
Associate will be with you shortly.
Seriously? To unlock the craft paint. And they have two left. I'm going to show y'all right quick. These two down here, they have these two. I only need one though, but I can't believe this. And I've been waiting. I was waiting in line for something else for a very long time. Now I'm waiting over here for another very long time. So y'all, I don't know when y'all get this vlog, but as soon as I get home, I'm gonna start on that canvas. And I'm trying to think. I do have gray. I said I needed the white. I think that's it. And then I got a little bit of black that I'm gonna use to like make a face or something. I'm gonna try to, but yeah, I never knew. Let me know where y'all live at, what city, town, state, or whatever. Do y'all have locks on your craft paints stuff? This is ridiculous. But y'all, yeah, just wanted to check in, chime in. I'll see you guys later. Guys, I am finally back. Y'all, Walmart, I don't know what to do with them. I don't really like going in Walmart. I don't, y'all. It's just too much. The stuff that you see in there, it's kind of, if you want a good laugh, go to Walmart. But yeah, we're going to get into this video. So I did get the one thing of paint. That's all I needed, because I think I told you guys I still have gray and black. So this is what I'm going to use to trace out something. I'm going to just come up with something, but I did spray paint it with the rest of the spray paint that was left here. So I'm just going to really just go over it with this acrylic paint. That's how I do some of my my paints too. I'll go over them after I might spray paint them. I can't get this off. I cannot get this off. They have it on here really, really tight, but I don't want to put my mouth on it. But I don't have nothing to cut it with, guys. Lord have mercy. It is on here. They usually have a little thing. Wait a minute. Can I find it? You could like peel it off. I don't want to break my fingernails. Okay, there we go. So yeah, I'm gonna just use, I don't have a bowl. I forgot my bowl. But anyway, I'm just gonna use a little bit of this to go over the canvas. And like I said, I spray painted it with white, and this is the gloss white, because I do believe this is gloss white. This is just like pale gray. So I'm gonna give it a distressed look with gray in it, because if you can see over here, it seems like it's a little gray. And I just wanted to have like that different look. And the reason why, this is why I put the glue, because I wanted to have like just the droppings, just to give it like an illusion of something that's dripping. And that's just gonna look really cute over the couch. And this is the way that I'm going to hang it. So I'm just gonna go ahead, start adding my paint there, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and start brushing it on so it can dry. And probably tomorrow I probably will show you guys what it looks like, because I'm gonna work on it for the remaining of the day. The remaining of the evening. I want to try to get it done this evening. I do have to go back out, but in the meantime, I just wanted to get a start on it so I could show you guys, because I hope y'all didn't think it was going to stay like this. I think I told you yesterday that I was going to go over it again, but I had to go get some more acrylic paint. So if you can see, I'm just going over it where it looks like you see black still, but you still see the imprint of the glue, the dripping of the glue. So this is just gonna take some time, so bear with me. But a lot of you guys always say, Sonia, take us along when you do a canvas. So that is my whole intention, is to bring you guys along. I'm not no pro. Some people say I'm an artist. I don't know, I'll take that, but I'm not gonna just be like I'm an artist, but I just love doing canvases, especially your own. And I'm gonna make sure that I sign mine like I did before when it was black and gold. But there's like a lot of reasons why I chose to do the white, because I have white in the rug, there's white in the pillows, there's white in the plant pots. One of the flower pots over here is white. So I just didn't want, you know, so much black on black on black. And if you guys remember, this was like a lot of black with a little bit of gray and gold. I'm still going to trim it with gold with my gold felt tip marker. So around here will be gold. It will give you the illusion that it is lined with a metal frame. So I'm not going to put any framing on it like I have done, like with other canvases that I have done in the past. So yeah, already you guys, you can just see how it's just blending in, getting rid of the black background. So I'm not intending to buy any more of this. So this is going to have to be enough. So yeah, guys, it just takes time. You just stroke it back and forth, and it doesn't matter if it drips down because you're going to go over it again. I just wanted to get it, you know, as much as I can done before I leave back out. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying these DIY videos. I'm not going to continue to do a whole lot of them because there's not a lot of DIYs that I need to do. But I thank you guys for liking the bow I did yesterday. I could not part with that candle stand, y'all. Oh my gosh, for the life of me, I was like, it was just something about it that felt good to me, even when I would touch it. So I was like, I have to find something to do with it. So that is what I did. So yeah, guys, this will probably be done tomorrow. So if you guys could be patient with me, then I would appreciate it. But as you can see, it's coming along. And I had to do the gloss also too, guys, because the spray paint that was white was a gloss white. So that was another reason why. Do y'all see how that's gonna look with that with those blue figurations on there? Really, really pretty. I'm gonna tell you another way you can do it too. You also can take Elmer's glue and take you like a sheet or something and put glue all over your canvas and just take the sheet and just squeeze it like so, and it will give you like imperfections into your canvas. And you wait till it dry and you can spray paint it whatever color you want, and it's still the same thing. I don't have any sheets, y'all know. I only probably got like 2 sheet sets for the bed, so I couldn't do that. I just said this will be another alternative for me to do. But yeah, guys, I will see you all tomorrow in the next video. And like I said, hopefully I will be done. But like I said, she's coming along very well. And yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in today. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow. And remember, love yourself so that you be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all. Hey guys, here's a sneak peek of this distressed gray and white look that it has, along with the dripping glue, if you can see that. And tomorrow I will show you the reveal of it. See you guys tomorrow. God bless.